Hi guys, so you might be seeing that nowadays there is a situation of panic in the stock market, especially in the Indian stock market. So with the help of this video, I'll tell you that how you can avoid or reduce the losses when there is a situation of panic in the stock market, and an example plan for that I will tell you in the next video. So guys, you will need to understand that reducing the losses in such a situation in the stock market requires a combination of strategic planning, preparation, and most importantly, emotional discipline. So with the help of this video only, I'll tell you several strategies to overcome that. Now, a very good way, trusted and proven way to do that is diversifying your portfolio. You need to manage your asset allocation in such a way that you invest your investment capital into multiple stocks or shares or investment options in order to mitigate the high amount of risk if you will have invested in a single investment option. Also, you need to do sector diversification. You should not invest in a particular sector whole of your capital into a one sector, because if the particular sector it is facing a crash, then whole of your capital might be in loss. So it is said that you need to invest your capital into different stocks of different sectors. Also, you should have some emergency funds. You all should keep some portion of your portfolio into easily accessible cash or equivalent funds. And as I told you earlier also, you should always set stop loss orders, which will automatically trigger buying or selling of your stock if it falls a particular value or raises to a particular value in order to avoid losses. One most important key is that you should focus on long-term investment. As I always say in my videos, you should not be affected of the short-term market movements. So guys, let me give you my example. Do I don't suffer loss? Is it that I always make profits? I always be in profit all the time? So it is not like that. Even I or anybody in the world would also, if he or she is investing, they will definitely have time when there will be losses, but by their strategies, by their plan, I recover those losses. I also, and everyone also would do that. Every experienced person would do that. They will be able to recover their losses even though for the short time they have losses also. Ultimately, what is seen is that you remain consistent in your investment with your investment strategy, and with that you make profits for yourself. So for that, it is very important that you have proper knowledge, you do proper research of the investment planning you are doing. You should be very strong at the fundamentals, technical, all the types of analysis. Another most important point which I have to tell you again and again in every video is that you need to review and rebalance your portfolio according to your market trends which are going nowadays. You should put your investments in such a stocks which are stable. You should choose the shares, choose the investment options which are prevalent these days, which can supposedly can give you high amount of returns for futures, provided their returns being consistent with time. One most important thing is that you need to avoid emotional trading. You need to stick to your plan, stick to your strategy. Believe in yourself, have confidence that whatever you are doing, whatever your strategy is, that you have proper well researched on it and you are implementing it after proper research in it. So in investment, emotional discipline also, it is seen and it is played a major role in your investment journey as how you will perform, because many of the people are there when they see losses because they have invested whole of their capital into particular investment option, and if it is suffering losses, then definitely that person would be in huge loss and they quit investment, they quit trading, they quit their strategy and plans within few months only, because they don't have confidence in themselves. They have not done the diversification of their portfolio and now they are in huge loss. Now one pro tip here which I wanted to give you is that you can use the hedging techniques. you could invest in ETFs, those ETFs which would go up when the market goes down. You should have control over yourself, you should stay informed but not overwhelmed. Follow the market news properly, the expert advices, the analysis which various platforms they give. There are various platforms, so in that you could reach the market news, the market trends. If you would want, I can also make a dedicated video specifically as to how you can do proper research, what are the various platforms on which you can do it. For that you can also comment down below. It is said that you should always have a contingency plan, you should have confidence over yourself. All these strategies which you apply to the market should be pre-planned, all your actions should be pre-planned, and you just need to apply those strategy and do your investments. Your strategy should include proper scenario planning, that if the particular strategies goes wrong, how will I implement it, how will I revamp it, how will I modify it in order to do your investments properly. Now the another most important point which I wanted to tell you is that you should always maintain cash liquidity. You should always have some cash holdings prior with you, ready with you, so that you can take the opportunity, take the benefit of this opportunity. If a stable and a good stock price it falls down, you can always buy it and have a high amount of gains in future. It would be considered a very good opportunity for you, and I guess you and anyone would never want to miss it. So that was all which I wanted to tell you with the help of this video. I hope you would be careful, you will take care of all these things from the next time, and you will implement it in your investment journey, and it will have a very positive impact on your investments. So guys, that was all which I wanted to tell you with the help of this video. That is all for this video. I'll see you all guys in my another video with the example plan which I have to tell you. That is all for this video. Thank you very much guys.